So I was just making some cough medicine for my baby, if you can hear him coughing in the background. But this is what we do. So I already cut up an onion and some garlic, and you could just use an onion or garlic and add some good old raw organic honey to it. But I'm gonna add some herbs to Providence and some of this cool little spice that my husband picked up. It says turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, black pepper, cloves, and cardamom all in one. So I'm just gonna add a scoop of that, add a little bit of this, and then cover it in honey, and I'll show you. I mean, you can measure, but I know what I want. And then you just cover it with your favorite honey. I recommend organic, local, if you can find some organic local, you know. And you just cover the onion. If I had more onion, I'd add more onion in it, but then you can seal it up and give it a little shake. Make sure that all the onion is covered and let it sit. I like to make a whole jar, but we'll see. If my husband brings back some more onion, I'll add more to it. I will show you what it looks like when it's ready. See that nice? Make sure everything's nice and coated. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more honey. Well, maybe a little bit more than a little. But and you should have a little something that looks like this. That's beautiful, isn't it? Nature's medicine. And I just found some more garlic I forgot I got. So I'm gonna cut this up and add some more. And then we got some more garlic. And it doesn't matter if there's skin too, 'cause there's vitamins in those too.